guys, welcome once again to today's video. So let me share with you this quick update. Now this is for the DV Lottery 2026 entrant. Now if today is the first time that you are hearing, the application has opened and you can submit your entrant for the 2026 DV Lottery. Now this is for the passport photo or your photograph. I've done a video on how to get a standard photograph that they are looking for. Now take note of this one. If you have old photograph there which is older than 6 months, please don't use that particular passport picture. If you have a passport picture which is older than 6 months, don't use it, because from the information that they have stated on the website, it says your passport picture shouldn't be older than 6 months. Okay, so if you have your last year passport photo for the DB lottery and you want to use the same passport photo, play is not going to work for you. Make sure you take a new photograph for this year 2026 and fine. Take note of that. Don't use passport picture which is older than 6 months. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye.